Hello everybody, my name is Katerina. I am Nordstrom beauty stylist and I am here to show you this amazing deal from Estee Lauder. Yes, holiday box, holiday beauty blockbuster from Estee Lauder. It's right here. It will be available in October. I'm not yet sure what day, but if you follow me on Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, or Facebook, I will let you know date, month, and everything what you need to know to purchase this amazing deal. I know, you wanna know all details, what's inside, what's color. Just wait, I will show you what's inside, sizes, I will swatch for you lip glosses and even more. But again, it's holiday beauty box, beauty blockbuster from Estee Lauder. It's $85, but it's a little bit tricky. It's $85 with any purchase of Estee Lauder. And this year, usually they will say you need to spend $50 or $40 and then you can get this for $85. No, this year, Estee Lauder, it's not say anything on the label. It says price. I mean, with any Estee Lauder purchase, like I know I really like Estee Lauder bronze. I'm gonna buy my bronze and then I'm gonna buy this beautiful beauty box. And what do we have here? Value, sorry, $615. And what I like about this beautiful beauty box, do you know what? It's come in two different boxes, cool tone and warm tone. And you know, I already see different brands beauty boxes. I already tried colors, I will look at price, and I'm telling you right now, Estee Lauder this year, it's the winner. Trust me. I hope this video is interested. Please give me like, thumbs up. Love you more than ice cream, and let's continue. Again, this is $85 beauty blockbuster from Estee Lauder, a holiday box with any purchase. I know I like from them lipstick, lip liners, my favorite eye cream. Oh, I don't need to buy. It's right here. Advanced Night Repair eye cream. Full size, it's right here. Like I mentioned, it's coming two different colors. I think you want me to open and show how it looks inside, and let me show you how pretty, how gorgeous colors, details on a lipstick, on eyeshadow. I never see anyone brand doing such amazing job. We have with you 11 items here, and they are full size, except one item. It will be your traveling size, and it's a hand cream. Yes, it's a beautiful Magnolia hand cream. Perfect for travel. Again, if you're interested to purchase this beauty box, you can message me on Instagram, Katya Beauty Style. I can send you home. It's free shipping. It's gonna come from Nordstrom, and I always like to put a nice extra gift for you and for you and for you and for you and for you. Just kidding, but it's true. I love to spoil my customer. And again, this box will be available in October. But let me again show you these two different options. We have cool and we have warm eyeshadow palette. Same two boxes will have a different lip colors. This is why what it's different is gonna be between cool and warm. Different eyeshadows, different lipsticks, different lip glosses, but skincare, it will be the same. You know, I like to talk, but let me show you what's inside. I'm coming close to show this beautiful, gorgeous makeup, I will say, case. It's velvet, it's red. Look at this little details, little star here. I'm telling you girls, this is such an amazing deal. This is how makeup box look at again this little Christmas detail. We have zipper here, we have another packet here, and here actually inside you have mascara and eyeshadow. And this is how it looks inside. And you can see we have a beautiful big size moisturizer. It's a brightening, wrinkle reduction. We have eye cream, of course, famous serum to lipstick to lip glosses, eye makeup remover. And this is the newest, I believe, the newest cleanser from Estee Lauder. We have two lip glosses inside. One it's a light pink and another so deep and dark. Even it looks like deep and dark, but it's kind of like a sheer formula for darker color. Also, this set have a two lipstick. Look at these details on a lipstick. We have like mirror right here, and here we have like holiday ornament. And this is it's a cool collection. And let me show you this lipstick inside. Wow, this is its lipstick how it looks. It's a piece of art. I just feel like I'm gonna start collect old holiday lipstick from Estee Lauder because they are beautiful. Look at these details. We have star, we have horse here. Oh my god, such amazing job. And now let me show you this set inside. We have hand cream, beautiful Magnolia. It's perfect traveling size. We have two lipstick here, full size. We have full size revitalizing supreme moisturizer. You can use this moisturizer day and night because it's no SPF and it's for lines, wrinkles, and will brighten your skin. Then one of my favorite eye cream, nighttime repair, and it's amazing formula I like because it's a gel cream nighttime repair serum. It's here, I don't need to tell you, it's good. And this is something new to me. This is advanced night repair cleansing gel. Oh, I must try this. And this is your gentle eye makeup remover. Also, you have a two brochure. It's telling you about this beautiful, beyond beautiful gift. And let me show you right here. It's our lip glosses. We have one lighter color and then we have one darker color. And of course, I will show you these colors. Also, this set included mascara and eyeshadow. Two of the sets have the same mascara, but two different colors. It's your cool palette. We have like a neutral pinky, we have a little bit taupey. This is like still have pretty good amount brown color, but I will compare to another warm palette. It's more gold and bronzy. And you know what, let me show you two this eyeshadow palette together. Again, this is your cool palette, and it's your warm palette. It is big difference. And let me close to show you these warm options. This is how I will name. We have a beautiful gold bronzy eyeshadow. Look how pretty this eyeshadow, these details. We have horse here, we have stars here. I like we have a shimmer and we have a matte colors. Amazing color combination. And then I'm bringing to you to show you this lipstick. Oh my god, again, it's all about details. Look at how pretty this lipstick. We have one like more neutral color and we have a red color. And look at this gorgeous palette. Look at this holiday decoration here, so gorgeous. And again, remember, it's your warm palette. How beautiful, gorgeous this eyeshadow. I hope you like this video. Every year I'm the first who bring you a video with beauty blockbuster from Estee Lauder, from another brand and more different brands. And if you want me to make a video how to use this eyeshadow, how to apply this eyeshadow, how to use this lipstick, mascara, please let me know and I will create another video just for you. And meantime, please support me, give me a like, subscribe my YouTube channel, and I love you more and happy holidays!